Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to log in to your MBNA account online. Now let's begin. On any browser of your choice, simply type www.mbna.ca and hit on enter right now. Now this is the official homepage of MBNA. You can scroll down and look at all the features and facilities provided. But right now we only want to log into our account. Let's scroll up right to the very top, and on the navbar at the very right you will find something like login. Simply click on it. You will then be redirected to a new page that is login to online banking. Simply enter your credentials right here, that's your login name and password. In case you forgot either your login name or password, click the button right here and follow the prompts. That way you can again regain access to your account. Let's enter our credentials right now. Once everything's alright, simply click on this login button right here and then you'll be logged in to your MBNA account. Well guys, that's it for the video. That's how we log into MBNA. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.